So basically what I'm doing is making the plarn for the mats, and how you do that is by cutting the ends off of the plastic bag, so both the bottom and the handles of the bag, and those parts you can just recycle back into the local stores where you got it from. And once you do that, you cut the plastic bag into rings like such, and that's what we'll be using to make the plarn. So we're just going to cut it down the middle and cut down the middle of each one. Then put one bag through the other, and then take the bag through there and tighten it like so. And that's going to be our plarn. And then we're just going to keep adding on to that with our rings. And depending on the thickness of your bag, you can cut more or less strips out of it. So if you're using like a thicker grocery bag or bag from like a bookstore or something, you might be able to cut more rings out of it because it'll be stronger. So you can experiment with that as well. So you're just going to keep on adding till you have as much plarn as you need, or you can come back and put more as you're crocheting your mat. Just add it onto this one. Get a little sticky sometimes, just don't get frustrated. So how to start crocheting: you're going to take your plarn and just think of it as just one string, and you're going to go back around and wrap it around here twice. Once you do that, you're going to stick your needle in and tighten it to your desired length. Now you can make it tighter by pulling on this end, or looser by pulling on the needle end. So start off pretty loose, so we're going to go in and pull it through right there, and that's going to be our start. So we're just going to keep doing the same thing over and over. Remember to constantly keep moving up on your rings. So in, and through there. Just keep moving up. And you want to make sure you're staying pretty loose, so it's easier to go back through it later. So we're just going to keep doing this, and probably going to do this for a while until you reach your the length of your mat. Just keep laying this out. Make sure your rings are consistent. So we're just going to keep going through. Just keep pulling it through. And if you mess up, it's okay to go back and just pull it out and start where you left off. Okay, so to go back, you're just gonna go through the last ring here, go through it. So you have 2 stitches on here on your needle, and then wrap it once and then pull through both of those, and then just keep doing that. Let's see, it's already a string here. Go through here, wrap it around, pull it through both of those. Okay, so we're just going to keep doing that. Make sure you're keeping your consistency. Just keep going through both of those. So, as you see, it's coming through this ring already. I'm going to keep going through to the next one. And, 2 stitches there. Again, just keep going till you reach the end of your line here. So you can see we're just going on the top, just going on the top part of the ring here. Just keep following that top part. So keep going. Just gonna keep doing that. Just keep going. And so we're back to the beginning of our first ring. So it's just going to be the same. Go through there, wrap it around. Once we do that, then we're going to turn around.